At 248.7 meters, Komtar is the tallest skyscraper in Georgetown, on Penang Island, off the northwestern coast of Peninsular Malaysia. Via some escalators and a high-speed lift, we reach the skyscraper's observation deck on the 65th floor. This deck features the gravities, a narrow, exhilarating walkway on the side of the building, allowing thrill-seekers to walk along the outside of Komtar Tower at a height of around 239 meters above ground level. The Gravities holds the title of the world's highest rope course challenge, and though secured with ropes and a harness, there is no safety net. When Komtar Tower was completed in 1985, it stood proudly at 231.7 meters, making it the second tallest building in Asia and the tallest in Southeast Asia. This towering icon retained its regional supremacy until 1986, when One Raffles Place in Singapore claimed the title. In 2015, renovations of the main complex elevated Komtar's height to 248.7 meters, renewing its prominence on Penang's skyline. Another lift brings us from the so-called window of the top on the 65th floor to the summit sky bar and restaurant located on level 68. Here, we have a good view of the Penang Strait and Butterworth in Seberang Perai on the mainland of Malaysia, as well as the 13.5-kilometer Penang Bridge, a dual carriageway connecting Perai on the mainland with Jaluga on the island. The open-air deck on the 68th floor reputedly boasts views that extend up to 150 kilometers away. At the heart of the upper deck lies a fountain enclosed within a golden wishing pot, adorned by two rainbows extending on either side. In between them rests a prominent ancient Chinese coin characterized by its round shape and a square hole at the center. Traditionally, these coins symbolize the harmony between heaven and earth, with the circular outer edge representing heaven and the square aperture symbolizing earth. On the northeastern edge of the rooftop lies a rainbow-shaped cantilever bridge, featuring a glass walkway famously known as the Rainbow Skywalk and renowned as the highest outdoor glass skywalk in Malaysia. To preserve its surface, visitors must remove their shoes before stepping onto the glass skywalk, and even though the glass is hardened and designed to withstand considerable weight and pressure, many tread cautiously, wary of any perceived risk of shattering and the exhilarating experience of the thrill of being suspended high above the ground. While the west side offers captivating views of the sea and coastline, the eastern part of the deck features daily golden sunsets and panoramic vistas of the hills that house Kek Lok Si, Penang's Temple of Supreme Bliss, situated on Crane Hill, named for its crane-like appearance. While the hustle and bustle of the city below continues, visitors on the rooftop experience the tranquility of soaring high above the ground. As day transitions into night, LED lights are switched on, transforming the Komtar rooftop into a spectacular display of colors and illuminations. Artificial palm trees, scattered across the deck, evoke a mirage-like atmosphere, creating a rooftop oasis in the sky. By now, the city's skyline below is also aglow with lights whilst evening traffic congests the streets. Georgetown, established in 1786 by Captain Francis Light, flourished as a multicultural trading port. Its diverse population shaped its unique cultural heritage, which today seamlessly blends its colonial past with modern development. As darkness gradually settles in upon the open rooftop deck of the Komtar Tower, a sense of tranquility envelops the space. Ambient lighting softly illuminates the space, casting a warm and inviting ambience. Cozy seating areas beckon guests to unwind and enjoy the panoramic views stretching out before them. High above the bustling streets, the rooftop deck offers a peaceful retreat from the urban bustle, a perfect haven to linger and enjoy the magic of the evening. A gentle breeze sweeps across the rooftop, carrying with it the faint scent of distant city sounds and the occasional murmur of traffic far below. The city skyline emerges as a silhouette against the fading light, its towering skyscrapers illuminated by a myriad of twinkling lights, creating a captivating backdrop for the scene above.